Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which countertop ovens to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below. Countertop ovens dehydrate and cook food faster because of their mode of circulating hot air around the chamber. This oven can cook food quicker and more evenly than a conventional oven. So if you're looking for an appliance that can cook a range of meals in the shortest possible time, this video will help you with it. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The countertop ovens that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in the more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The countertop ovens coming in at number 5 on our list is the Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven offers convection technology for faster and more even cooking. The oven's generously sized interior offers enough space to accommodate 2 large take-and-bake pizzas, a family-sized chicken, a roast, or 18 slices of bread. Its 2 adjustable racks can be placed in 2 positions, allowing you to customize the space whether you're cooking a tall roast or baking chocolate chip cookies. This device uses 50% less energy and offers digital settings. It includes bake, broil, toast, pizza, and defrost options to take the guesswork out of cooking. The digital controls are very easy to use. Simply select your preferred method of cooking, then press the up and down arrows to adjust the temperature and set the timer. Its cooking temperature ranges from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. A 90-minute timer with an auto shutter feature lets you know with a bell when your food is ready. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven has a glass door that offers a large view window, allowing you to see what's cooking without you having to open the oven. The design of the door is not a deal breaker by any means. One thing that our team really loves about this oven is how easy it is to clean. The control panel is entirely digital, so there's no dials, knobs, or crevices to collect dirt and grease. You can simply wipe it down with a cloth. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven is very attractive and looks nice displayed in our kitchen. It is also composed of brushed stainless steel and glass that blends in nicely with our other appliances. The countertop ovens coming in at number 4 on our list is the NUWAVE Bravo XL. The NUWAVE Bravo XL uses convection heating technology that circulates hot air around the food for faster cooking times and healthier, more delicious meals. You don't need to worry if you're new to this, because this oven is suitable for beginners. It is very simple to get the hang of and comes with 40 recipes. With a temperature range between 100 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it can prepare virtually any dish with ease. When you want to customize your settings, you can take advantage of the convenient preheat, sear, warm, and delay functions to ensure your food is cooked precisely the way you want. You can even program up with 5 different cooking stages into the unit using the stage function. This oven features a food thermostat that allows you to measure the internal temperature of the food while it cooks. So when reaching the preset temperature, the oven will automatically shut down. The NUWAVE Bravo XL also features many non-stick parts, including the broiler rack and AirFryer basket. These parts can be cleaned simply by wiping them down with a damp cloth. This also includes a handy removable crumb tray that catches any food residue that falls off your Bravo creations. Best of all, each of these parts is dishwasher safe. The heat-resistant door and the cool-to-touch handle minimizes the risk of accidental burns as well. The NUWAVE Bravo XL helps save you money on your energy bills. It cooks faster than a conventional oven and is safer than outdoor propane grills. Our team appreciated its speed, versatility, precision, and ease of use. Busy mums and dads need fast, delicious, kid-friendly meals that the Bravo XL can deliver. The countertop ovens coming in at number 3 on our list is the Emeril Lagasse Power AirFryer 360. The Emeril Lagasse Air 360 lets you air fry food all over. With its 360-degree Fahrenheit quick look technology and 5 super powerful heating elements, it lets you cook, bake, roast more delicious meals with all the right flavors right on your kitchen countertop. This unit functions as a convection oven, rotisserie, food dehydrator, toaster, food warmer, slow cooker, and even a pizza maker. Despite its 12 functionalities, this one is pretty easy to use. It features an LCD control panel that is easy to read and operate, so starting the cooking process is a breeze. The LCD will display both blue and red. The blue indicates when it's ready for programming, and it will turn red when the cooking process begins. It also has guide markings on the door, so you'll know which rack height to use for different cooking functions. Another feature our team were really impressed with is its bright interior light that allows you to accurately monitor food and check when it's done. The Emeril Lagasse Power AirFryer 360 is designed with a pro-grade built-in dehydrator. You can easily dehydrate your favorite fresh meats, fruits and veggies with no added sugar right at home on the included racks. The cooking trays and drip pan are removable, and it is recommended to clean them by hand. Using this air fryer over a traditional deep fryer can help reduce the number of unhealthy calories you consume by up to 70%, while still letting you enjoy your favorite foods. The Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 is a sleek, state-of-the-art appliance that will complement your kitchen. It is extremely versatile, and everyone will surely love this one. The countertop ovens coming in at number 2 on our list is the Cuisinart toaster oven and air fryer. The Cuisinart toaster oven and air fryer offers a variety of ways to perfectly air fry your favorites using 98% less oil. The oven comes with a user guide loaded with cooking charts and recipes. Plus, the oven is programmed with more than 10 settings that are specific to air frying. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity oven can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast, 6 bagels, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. It is designed with an adjustable thermostat that reaches from 80 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It has heating elements on both the top and bottom for a lightning quick warm-up. The low temperatures can proof dough, while the high temperature options are often used for baking, broiling and air frying. It features a one-touch dual that enables you to combine 2 cooking types, such as bake raw pizza and roast. This also allows you to program the oven for 2 different times and temperatures at once. You can even control the fan speed from low to high for precision convection results. It has an LCD screen that integrates a quick reference guide. The Stay Cool handle and an interior light will allow you to keep an eye on your food when it's cooking. It has a stainless steel appliance that features a modern design with a sleek touchpad control panel and a non-stick interior for easy cleaning. Within 1800 watts of power, extra large capacity and a multitude of functions, it delivers state-of-the-art results. Choosing a model like this one is a wise choice for anyone with limited counter space, as it combines 2 appliances into one. And finally, we come to the number 1 countertop oven on our list, the Breville Smart Oven. The Breville Smart Oven is equipped to air fry and dehydrate on 4 different racks at once. With the power of 1800 watts, you can get your meals on the table more quickly. The smart heating system, referred to as Element IQ, provides more consistent power so your food is cooked to perfection each time. This model boasts 9 different preset cooking functions. The control panel is very easy to use, and all the settings are clearly spelled out, so you don't need to keep the user guide handy. The smart oven's convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. An inbuilt fan circulates the hot air within the oven, which speeds the cooking process by raising hotter air and sinking colder air. It has a slow cook function that is designed for long cook times at low temperatures. You can slow cook for up to 10 hours before the setting automatically turns to keep warm. Our team were really impressed by the LCD display that helps you easily select one of the many cooking functions. Adding to the convenience, the machine also has an interior light that automatically turns on when the door is open. It also comes with a baking and broiling tray and a non-stick pizza pan. The walls on the inside of the oven feature a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. The Breville Smart Oven has a stainless steel exterior that makes it more attractive. This may be a bit pricey, but it is an option definitely worth considering buying. And there you have it, folks, the 5 countertop ovens which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next countertop ovens roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.